Look at the fantastic job this grill is doing with eggs and mushrooms. Just unbelievable. And so fast because it's hot, and I'm only using out of 1 to 5. I've got it on, I'll show you. See, I've got it at like maybe 2.5, half the heat setting. And look at this. It's total non-stick. I just put a tiny little bit of oil actually down on the pan, and I kind of moved it around. But this is done like really quick. In fact, the eggs are kind of overdone, so I'm going to remove it now. I highly recommend getting one.